Google Sites offers a simple, free way to create a portfolio. First, sign in with your Google account and go to sites.google.com. Choose a portfolio or resume template to start with a pre-designed structure. These templates include sections for About, Projects, and Contact. The drag and drop interface requires no coding. Google Sites prioritizes mobile-friendly, responsive design. Experts note that its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners. Google Sites hosts about 15% of all free websites. Google Sites integrates well with Google Workspace, allowing seamless embedding of documents, sheets, and slides. Start customizing your Google Sites portfolio by adding text, images, and embedded files. The editor interface makes it easy to insert various elements like text boxes and images. Google Sites automatically optimizes your portfolio for mobile devices with responsive design. Your site will look great on laptops, tablets, and smartphones without any extra work. Add interactive elements to engage visitors. Incorporate Google Forms for inquiries about your work, and embed maps to show your location or project sites. Once your content is ready, publish your site to make it live. Share it via a custom URL like yourname.google.com or restrict access to specific viewers. Maintain your portfolio with regular updates through the Google Sites interface. Regular updates keep your work current and professional. Experts note Google Sites is ideal for quick portfolios with Google's data showing high satisfaction rates among educational users.